co-runners, smog and pollution, allergies, or if you have a friend who found a flying Taco Bell box with some frozen 30-year-old tacos and he ate them. We don't know why, but he did, and then got in your NSX. Well, you're going to need some protection and filtration, and that is why we're introducing Desmond Wong's NSX HEPA cabin filter kit. And let me tell you, this thing is awesome. All right, everyone, we have Desmond's kit right here, and he is the same guy who brought us that magnetic phone mount that connects to the clock. This guy is very innovative, and I love his stuff. Like, it's really, really neat. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be installing it in the car. I've never done it before. He already has his own video, and it's kind of fun though because he doesn't talk. So I kind of look at him like artistic videos because he does everything and he kind of just points at stuff. He doesn't say a word, which is great. But in our video, we're gonna do it. We're gonna hopefully see if it's easy, or hopefully, right? And then just get it put in there. And I'm really excited because this actually makes a big difference. Like, I get allergies, you know, like we live in an area where, you know, there's a lot of wind, a lot of stuff. And this is just a simple, great thing to take care of yourself and anyone in your car. All right, let's get started. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pull back on your rubber piece, right? And it's one of those tabs that when you press the center, they pop up. So think of it like a pimple, right? Let's see if it's doing it now. The older they are, the more pain in the butt they are. And that is why we got some from with their kit. All right, we got one. Boop. Look at that. And mine broke off. So he thought about them. It's genius. He provided us with the clips because that just broke. We're gonna go ahead and press down again. We heard it. And then pull up. And we're gonna come over here, we're gonna push down, again like the pimple, but we're gonna use our trim tool, because technically this is what you're supposed to do, and then you pull up with it. Makes it a lot easier, saves your fingernails. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Even with the same tool, we're gonna push down, and we're gonna go ahead and pull up. This one broke as well. Look at these guys. So he really did think this over because they broke off and we have some extra ones. Press down and come back up. And do this one as well. We have, let's see how many we have here. Okay, I think there's a total of 7 here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so he gave us enough to replace all of them, which is really cool. At this point now, we're gonna use a roll of tape, just like Desmond did, to get this cover pushed up. And now we can access where we're gonna put the filter in. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and clean up this area. Look at all that dirt. So look at it now and watch this. All the YouTubers do this. So we cleaned this up with some paper towels and this part, but we also cleaned up this rubber molding here because this was really dirty. I mean, it was super dirty. Look over here, guys. Look how dirty it was. But not surprisingly, we got some leaves and stuff down there. So what we're gonna do is before we install this bad boy, we're gonna vacuum inside there and get the leaves. Okay, so these are our extras. This is one we're gonna use, and we're gonna take the rubber bands off. But now we have to see which one is for the airflow. So airflow this way, so the air is going that way. So let's put this back in the way it was. And now we're gonna stick this in here. I haven't done this yet, so I'm gonna be curious of how this is gonna work out. Whoa, hold up, I might have, there it goes. I am impressed. That actually is like a perfect fit, guys. Like, it actually is a beautifully snug fit in there. So I am super pumped up. And let me tell you, it's the design is that these kind of grayish little brackets. They're gonna clip on to the outer black part, but it's a perfect fit and really, really straightforward. Okay, now it's time for us to put everything back together. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our rubber trim piece, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this plastic piece and we're gonna go under it. Luckily, there's holes on all of them, so you'll be able to see where they go. And you just start tucking it underneath. A little labor intensive, but nothing too hard. Just want to make sure it's all tucked under. And you just want to make sure the holes are aligned. So the holes aligned, the holes aligned, the holes aligned there. And then what I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to start over here, is I'm going to line a hole, and I'm going to start off by putting these trim pieces in here. All right, so you got to get the trim piece through the top part, through the rubber part, and through the metal. Once you do that, that's in there. Okay, that one's in there. Same thing with this one. And then you get the idea. You're just going to go across and do the rest. All right, everyone. I was really excited because the install is straightforward. You just have to make sure that you do some cleaning. Your clips are gonna blow up, but we got some extra ones luckily, and we have some extra filters. Now, I don't know the interval change on these. I'm gonna put it on the comment section or stick it up here in the video once I ask Desmond. But besides that, guys, this is a really good kit. I'm always impressed by this guy's awesomeness. He's super cool. Well, guys, thanks for watching. You take care, stay safe, punch the like button, punch the subscribe button. You take care. We'll talk to you later.